What if your music alone could direct a music video? Hey everyone, it's Andy AI Swede here. Freebeat has just launched a brand new AI music video agent, and I was invited to test it before the public release. Today, I'm going to walk you through how it works, what's new, and whether this agent lives up to the hype.
Music is the natural prompt. Your sound is the only story you need to tell.
And that's exactly what we will test today. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and let's get started.
If you are new to Freebeat AI, check out this tremendous tutorial for a full walkthrough.
So what exactly is the AI music video agent? It's Freebeat's newest experiment. An intelligent agent that creates full music videos with minimal prompting.
You are the director. Your music is the script. Freebeat is your limitless production studio.
And yes, you will get a discount with a special code. Plus, there's a huge giveaway coming up. Make sure to stay tuned till the end of the tutorial.
Alright, let's try it out. I've uploaded my track and typed in the simplest command possible. Let's pause here for a brief walkthrough of Freebeat's new AI music video agent.
In 7 steps, it creates your music video. To move further from each step, after reviewing it in the box on the right, all you need to do is click continue and prompt it. Step 1 plan. You start with your song or a prompt. Once you uploaded a link to your track, you can choose from 30 seconds up to the whole song. Step 2, input analyzing. The eye listens and understands your music's vibe and rhythm. Step 3, create your concept. It generates a vision for your video style and story. Step 4, scenes. Individual scene ideas are built to match your track. Step 5, summary page. You review the storyboard before finalizing. Step 6, video segments. The agent creates detailed video segments. Step 7, merge video segments. Finally, all parts are merged into one cinematic music video. This makes music the only prompt you need. The AI handles everything else.
Below the Add Music box, you can click on the link Credits Usage Rules to see the detailed costs in credits, although not that easy to fully grasp. So, some credits are drawn during the first steps of video creation, but the total costs are only seen after step 4, scenes. And you can only proceed if you have enough credit balance. And here's the first result.
I was born in a bedroom, midnight beats in bloom. Kicked alive on a laptop, chasing that big room. Roll my hook in neon light, melody took flight. Now I'm vibing through speakers every Friday night.
Grew from whispers to a wave, now I'm on replay. Dreaming about the charts and that million play.
Make them dance in cities I may never see. Just one chorus away from my legacy. Upload me, love me, stream it loud.
Frame me in lights, make the crowd proud.
I wanna be a hit song, light up every shot the video in a parking lot, low budget fast, and we made it hot. Zooms of neon, epic lens flare, at a dance break, yeah, we're almost there.
Click me, share me, let me fly. I've got hooks that'll multiply.
Every stream's a step, every view's a flame.
This beat wants glory, not just fame.
I wanna be a hit song, echo through the sea. Notes in hearts, not just on screens.
Million plays, yeah, that's the dream.
Can you feel me rising in the street? This isn't just a track, it's a vision. Whoa.
You poured your soul into the sound. We give that soul a body.
Here's a couple of other music video snippets I made in the same way, with a simple prompt.
Oh, shadows of the rain wash over my pain. Can you carry my heart to where it won't fall apart? Oh, shadows of the rain.
In the moonlight I stood with my heart in my hand. I offered you ketchup, you reached for the stand.
Your eyes full of mystery, my soul full of flame. Yet all that you asked for was mustard by name.
Oh, morning you haunt me with relish and grace. I craved your affection, you craved just a taste. Love is like a hot dog, messy and wild. Burns you like onions, then makes you smile. In a bun of chaos, we take a bite, savoring passion in neon light.
The sun is high, the waves are low. Sand sticks to my toes, it shows. A lazy breeze plays tag with the shore. I want nothing less, I want nothing more. We're living it up on a golden land, with seashells and dreams in our hands. A laugh, a splash, a carefree band. Oh, we're loving a day on the sand. The gulls, they sing a song off key. It's nature's choir, wild and free. Buckets of castles crumbling fast. Moments like these, we hope they last.
cammino del dolore, sboccia un fiore di speranza e la voce di un amore fa tremare ogni distanza. Oh vita regina d'eternità, con lacrime e sogni tu resti qua, nel palpito d'un'anima che va, sei eco d'un cielo che mai svanirà.
Upp på morgonen seg och trött, kaffe luktar stark och sött, ser på skålen grin som gröt, men jag saknar min tortilla. Sked av trä i gretan kör, klumpar sekte morgonbör. Men vad har hänt? Vad är det här? Tortillan lockar starkt och kär. Varför äta havregryn när spansk tortilla gör mig fly? Ost och ägg och lök i harmoni. Och gröt, du kan ej få min sympati.
You're just a code, a digital thread. Can you paint the world in neon red? Will your pixels dance? Will your colors sing? Or is this all just a glitter fling? I see you clicking, spinning fast. Can you make a vision that alive? Can you make it? Can you break it? Turn the beat up, will it take it? Are you more than wires and beds? Can you make a hit? A hit? A hit?
Some feelings can't be described with words. They have to be shown.
So let's close this test with a tune and a glance at the highs and the lows from my agent dance. The pros are clear, let the chorus begin. Great results, yeah, the visual shine, smooth transitions, feeling cinematic and fine. Just one line, no need to explain. Make a video for the song and it runs like a train. Fast on its feet, scenes build in a flash, and the sing to the beat like thunder and crash. Every frame feels tied to the sound. It's like the music directs what's going down. But the cons, my friends, are worth the verse. 2 credits unclear, hard to know the spend. Some drop early till step 4 shows the end. Could leave you short, render stuck halfway, even though the rules are written on display. Still 720p, no full HD, so your visuals might lack that sharp clarity. 5-minute cap, that's the song's max stay. Longer dreams, you'll need to chop or replay. It's beta, so yeah, there's an odd little slip, but hey, they're fixing fast. It's a powerful trip. That's the breakdown, the agent score with magic and motion and room for more. Until next time, when music calls, keep dreaming in pixels and beats and falls.
If you want to try freebeat.ai, I've got a 10% discount code down below in the description, and yes, it helps support the channel. And I'm running a giveaway. Post a link in the comments to something you made with Freebeat AI, and I'll pick 3 persons to win a free month pro plan of the platform, plus an additional 3 persons to win a free month standard plan. Winners' comments will be replied to with "You have won." See further instructions in the description.
Music were a dream. What would it look like?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your Freebeat creations below. Let's make some AI magic together.
Tremendous! Huge! Fantastic!